Welcome to 20 Muscle Cars, your ultimate destination for high-performance machines. Today, we bring you the next generation 2025 Shelby F-150, a truck that blends power, luxury, and aggressive styling like never before. With a bold front grille, functional hood vents, and signature Shelby racing stripes, this beast demands attention. The sculpted body, flared fenders, and massive off-road tires add to its dominant stance, while LED lighting enhances both style and visibility. Inside, the cabin is all about premium comfort with leather-trimmed seats, Shelby embroidery, and carbon fiber accents. The large infotainment touchscreen features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the premium audio system ensures an immersive driving experience. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera, make every ride safer and more convenient. Under the hood, the 2025 Shelby F-150 packs a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 pushing out a monstrous 775 horsepower, paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission and performance-tuned suspension. This truck delivers insane acceleration and off-road dominance. The enhanced exhaust system provides a deep, throaty roar that perfectly matches its raw power. Shelby has also equipped it with upgraded brakes, Fox shocks, and an advanced all-wheel drive system, making it as capable on rough terrains as it is on the highway. Pricing starts at around $135,000, depending on the package and customizations. This truck isn't just a workhorse, it's a statement of power and prestige. That's all for now. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the most thrilling performance vehicles. See you in the next one.